A little bit of that rain, that moisture is going to head our way as we go into the later part of tonight. We're already getting the warm front from the storm system, but the severe weather risk for most part does stay well to the south across northern parts of Florida. Now that same storm system that affected the deep south now pivoting more towards Florida with ongoing tornado watches and a couple of boxes with severe thunderstorm warnings. Nothing like that here. We have just some steady rain showers, some spring showers, but this back towards Cincinnati, that's what's going to head our way for tonight and tomorrow morning, bringing in the chance for wind plus some heavy rain, a couple rumbles of thunder as well, but I'm not anticipating any widespread severe thunderstorms. I'll get to that in just a minute. First alert live radar zooming into Boston, to Providence, to Manchester. We have these steady showers and a couple downpours out there. Light to moderate rain now starting to pick up in Boston. This is heading towards Winthrop, towards Lynn. So if you're just heading out, make sure you have at least the umbrella or the rain gear, as we still have these showers spreading through Framingham, Marlboro. It's been a very rainy, soggy day for you across central Massachusetts, around 495, Westboro, Worcester, Leicester, Holden. Still raining for you. It's been raining for the last few hours. Gardner, Fitchburg, Leominster, still more rain as we head to the north. And it is all rain, even in northern parts of New England, where it's warm enough to support showers, no mixing going on. So this is definitely a spring storm system that's moving in. That's what it looked like a couple days ago. I love that photo from our own Mark Garfinkel. We need some color today because it's so gray out there, but more showers will be around off and on. Fog in between, damp conditions, rain and wind overnight tonight into tomorrow morning. That's going to be the worst of it. Then the weekend slowly improves. We turn breezy, we turn cool, but overall mostly dry, and that's important as we lead into the big Marathon Monday forecast. Our exclusive in-house forecast system shows that the scattered showers move off the coast, but in between there will be some areas of drizzle, not drying off too much, and it's going to stay cloudy and cool with temperatures in the 50s. Additional showers start to slowly bubble up and move through here overnight tonight. This is where we have the most widespread and heaviest rain with embedded thunderstorms. So you may wake up to not only the wind and rain, but a rumble of thunder, maybe even a flash of lightning as well. Friday morning, 10 a.m., this is where we anticipate some scattered showers and more downpours, but they exit by noon. And then we're pretty much done with the worst of this storm system, although lingering isolated showers and even a rumble of thunder up across the mountains in southern parts of Vermont will be around. But for the most part in Boston, southeastern Massachusetts, we're drying off for the rest of your day on Friday. As for how much rain to expect throughout Friday, our forecast models keep backing off here. And now it looks like still half an inch to an inch of rain. And in localized areas, there will be some standing water and ponding, but the flood risk has lowered just ever so slightly. The wind risk, though, remains the same. Gusts between 30 and 50 miles an hour from the south through Friday pre-dawn until about noontime. Notice the Cape Islands, you're pushing 50 miles per hour. This coincides with the heaviest of the rain, the thunderstorms, and so there will be some maybe isolated outages or damage along the south coast. Plus, the wave heights are going to be pretty churned up, but this is during low tide. However, overnight tonight, aside from any storm moving in, we still have the astronomical high tides due to that new moon. And overnight tonight, 2 a.m. approximately is where we could still see some pockets of minor coastal flooding and splash over in the typical low-lying spots. In our 10-day outlook, improving weather for Saturday and Sunday. There's a chance for some showers to pass by late Sunday into early Monday, but way before the runners descend upon Hopkinton for the Boston Marathon. All day looks dry. Great for spectators, little hot for the runners with a high of 67.